Ever felt like you're giving your all, but he's just not reciprocating? Let's flip the script and discover the secrets that will make him chase you like you've always dreamed. 1. The power of mystery. Have you ever wondered why some women have that irresistible allure? The secret lies in their mystery. Keeping a little part of yourself hidden makes you intriguing. Don't overshare too soon. Instead, let him slowly peel back the layers. It creates anticipation and excitement. Make him curious about your thoughts, dreams, and plans. This sense of mystery will have him eager to uncover more, always keeping him on his toes. 2. Be confident in your own skin. Why is confidence so captivating? Because it shows self-assurance and independence. Embrace your uniqueness and walk with your head held high. Confidence is magnetic and naturally attracts admiration. Don't wait for his validation. Know your worth and radiate it. When you're comfortable in your own skin, it sends a powerful message that you're a prize worth pursuing. 3. Cultivate your passions. Ever notice how someone lights up when they talk about something they love? Having your own passions makes you incredibly attractive. Engage in activities that make you happy and fulfilled. Whether it's painting, hiking, or reading, your enthusiasm for life will be contagious. It shows you have a full, rich life, and he'll want to be part of it. 4. Practice the art of listening. Do you know the most underrated yet powerful skill in any relationship? Listening. Truly listening to him shows you care about his thoughts and feelings. It's a rare quality that makes you stand out. Pay attention, ask thoughtful questions, and remember the little details. This creates a deeper connection and makes him feel valued and understood. 5. Keep things light and fun. Why do playful interactions spark attraction? Because they create positive emotions and memorable moments. Tease him gently, share jokes, and keep the conversation lighthearted. Fun interactions build a strong foundation for a relationship. They make you someone he looks forward to being around because you bring joy and laughter into his life. 6. Maintain your independence. Ever wonder why independence is so attractive? It shows you're self-reliant and not dependent on him for your happiness. Maintain your own life, friends, and interests. It's essential to have space and time apart, which actually strengthens the bond. This independence is intriguing and makes him see you as a confident and self-sufficient partner. 7. Show genuine appreciation. Do you know the magic words that can make someone feel special? Genuine appreciation. Acknowledge his efforts, compliment his qualities, and show gratitude. Everyone likes to feel appreciated, and it makes him want to do more to make you happy. Sincere appreciation fosters positive feelings and strengthens your connection. 8. Be playfully challenging. What's the secret to keeping him intrigued? Being playfully challenging. Don't be afraid to disagree or challenge his ideas in a fun, respectful way. It shows you're not a pushover and have your own opinions. This playful banter creates a dynamic and engaging interaction, making him see you as a confident and stimulating partner. 9. Invest in your personal growth. Why is personal growth so appealing? Because it shows you're always striving to be the best version of yourself. Pursue new skills, set goals, and continuously improve. This dedication to personal growth is inspiring and makes you an exciting and evolving partner. He'll be drawn to your ambition and determination. 10. Embrace your femininity. What makes embracing your femininity so powerful? It's about owning your grace, warmth, and nurturing qualities. Femininity is not about being weak. It's about being strong in a different way. Dress in a way that makes you feel beautiful. Be kind and show empathy. These qualities are irresistible and make him feel cherished and drawn to you. Check out this playlist of the top 10 videos on relationship advice for women, and we'll see you in the next video with love.